So we're going to calculate the confidence interval for proportion using the TI-30XS. Step one is to compute the sample proportion, which is going to be x equal to 30 divided by n equal to 55. So let's type that in our calculator. 30 divided by 55, we're going to get 0.545, which will round the three places, 0.545. Then we calculate Q hat. So that's going to be our sample proportion P hat. Now we calculate Q hat by just taking 1 minus 0.545. That's going to give us 0.455. Once we have this information, we can then plug it into our formula. So let's calculate the left endpoint. We have 0.545 minus our confidence level is 1.96. Our confidence level is 95%, which we're going to use for a z-value of 1.96. Make sure you put times, because mixed results can happen if you don't make sure that you're multiplying. Then we have to access our square root. So second square root. Now you just keep everything inside of here. I like to use the fraction symbol. So in the numerator we have 0.545, then put times 0.455. Go down, use your arrow to go down and write in 55 and then hit enter. And we get 0.413 as our left endpoint. To get the right endpoint, we're going to go ahead, we're going to type that in, so let's clear everything. And so to get the right endpoint, we just type in a similar formula, so 0.545, except now we have a plus, 1.96 times second square root, use your fraction button, 0.545 times 0.455 all over 55, hit enter, and we get 0.6766, which rounds to 0.677. And that's how we calculate the confidence interval for proportion using TI-30XS calculator.